Hello everybody out here on YouTube. It is I here, Beautiful Beauty, and I'm here today. I'm going to talk to you about something that I've recently been personally diagnosed with myself, and I did not know, I had no idea that I have this. So anyways, this is just a little status update on Real Beautiful Beauty's health, and I've been feeling really bad lately, as all of you know. I drove myself to I finally had enough of it. I drove myself to the emergency room last week. I think it was last Thursday afternoon, actually. And I thought I was going to die. Okay. Let me just rewind to about 16 months ago. Almost 2 years ago, really. I mean, anywhere between 24 months and 16 months ago, I started out experiencing really bad migraines. Ear pain, fullness in the ears. I thought my ears were clogged. I blew it off. I thought it was sinus pressure because I do have sinus problems. I've actually had sinus surgery years ago, so I thought sinuses were the issue. But yeah, migraines, clogged ears, fullness in the ears, like hissing and popping sounds in my neck, clicking sounds coming from my jaw area, sensitive teeth, soreness of teeth. My jawbone was sensitive, migraines, facial pain. I have had anywhere between the last 2 years and 16 months, I have had the most horrendous cheek pain, neck pain, like under the face muscle pain, around the eyes. I've had a puffy neck. I've had a lot of puffiness around my eyes. I've could not figure out what it was, and I just assumed it was my sinuses because, like I said, I've had sinus surgery. I've known to have sinus problems. Time to time I get clogged ears, puffiness in the eyes, watery eyes, itchy eyes. Yeah, but anyhow, about 16 so months ago, also I went to the eye doctor, and my eyes about 16 months ago roughly, my eyes are bulging a little bit. And just could not figure out why. I went to 3 different eye doctors. They had no idea why my eyes are slightly bulging a little bit. I mean, you really can't see it. You more or less feel it. And their machines and equipment let them know that my muscles and my ocular muscles and my eyes are bulging, etc. So anyways, and I've had difficulty sleeping for about 2 years now. And just, I mean, migraines, jaw pain, ear fullness, neck pain, swelling in my neck area, just fatigued. I have felt terrible for approximately 2 years or a little less, give or take. And I have been to my primary care doctor several times. I've been to several other doctors, and I have complained. I've told them that I'm having difficulty swallowing. I have difficulty swallowing certain foods. I've had a fullness in my ear. I ask, is my eustachian tube in my ear is clogged? What's the problem? I've begged for an answer. I have absolutely, for the last 2 years, begged various doctors for answers. Why is my jaw hurt? Why is my face hurt? I have facial pain. Why is my mouth clenched so tight? Difficulty swallowing. My ears feels like it's clogged. The ear pressure is built up in my ear. I feel like my head is going to explode, okay? Pain around the eyes. My eyes are strained. They're killing me. My jaw clicks and pops. I hear a lot of hissing sound up and down my neck internally, which I really thought it was the GERD or acid reflux, that hissing sound. Okay, anyways, yeah. I have been suffering for about 2 years, okay? Now, last week, I got so bad, my jaw completely clamped down, locked down on me. I had no idea why. I even wondered if I had maybe even had a stroke. But I was thinking, well, gosh, it's like, wow, am I too young to have a stroke? But really, nobody's too young to have a stroke. So, anyways, obviously, I did not have a stroke. But, anyways, so I drove myself to the emergency room. Okay, saw the emergency room doctor. He messed with my jaw, looked at my jaw. He looked at my teeth. Okay, he examined me. He said, "You have TMJ." I said, "What in the heck is TMJ?" Okay, of course I didn't say that, but I said, "What? What is TMJ?" Okay, and he said, "You have temporal mandibular joint pain." TMJ. Okay, what is my TMJ? He said, "That is your jawbone. That is where your jaw connects to your mandible. It's your head, basically." I said, okay, what? Yeah, okay. So here I am. I'm trying to absorb this information, and here this doctor is. He says, "I have TMJ." Okay. He says, "You grind your teeth at night and clench your teeth during the day." I said, "What? Really?" I said, "No, I don't." He said, "You grind your teeth at night." I said, "No, I do not." He said, "Open your mouth. Let me see your teeth." Opened my mouth. He looked at my back teeth. My back teeth are a little wore down. He said, "That's from Bruxism. You are grinding your teeth at night, and you are clenching your teeth during the day." And I said, "No, I don't grind my teeth at night." He said, "Do you wear a night guard or mouthpiece at night when you sleep?" "No, never." He said, "Have you ever been told you grind your teeth at night?" "No, never. I have never been told that. I did not know that." He said, "You do it, but you don't know you're doing it, and you are clenching your teeth during the day." I said, "No, I don't. Really?" Okay, he felt my jawbone, touched my jawbone where my jaw connects under my ear in that area, and he said, "You're doing it now." "Doing what now?" He said, "You are clenching your jaw now." I had no idea. He said, "You're doing it right now." He said, "You're wearing out your jaw muscles. You're wearing out your jaw joint. You're maybe even wearing out this small disc that's located inside your head underneath your ear." Okay, so I said, "No, I don't grind my teeth at night. I don't clench my teeth during the day." I said, "Look in my ears. Specifically, my right ear. Is my ear clogged? Is my eustachian tube full of fluid? Is my ear clogged? Do I have any wax buildup?" He looked in my ears. He said, "No, you have nothing wrong inside your ears. You have your eustachian tube is clear. It's not blocked. You have no fluid buildup. Your ears are immaculately clean." He said, "You don't barely have any wax left in your ears." And I said, "Oh, that's because I have so many ear problems. I flush my ears out with, earwax cleaner, earwax removal, and I use the hot water and hot oil methods, and I use the bulb to flush my ears out." He said, "Well, no wonder." He said, "Your ears are spectacular." I said, "Okay, look up my nose. Is my nose blocked up? Is my sinuses blocked up? Okay, my cheeks are killing me." He said, "No. Your sinuses are flowing clear." He said, "You do have an amount of drainage." He said, "However, everything is draining down like it's supposed to be." And I said, "Oh, well, since I have bad sinuses, I use a facial steamer quite often to keep the mucus thinned out and to keep my sinuses flowing." He said, "That's great." And I said, "I also use a neti pot a lot for my sinus." He said, "That's great. Keep doing it. But there's nothing wrong with your sinuses. You have TMJ, and you are obviously you're grinding your teeth, Bruxism." Okay, once again, I did not buy any of it. Okay, so he poked around on my face, felt around on my face. He asked me if I had symptoms. He said, "Do you have fullness in the ear?" Yes, of course. That's what I've just been complaining about. He said, "Do you hear clicking or popping noise coming from your jaw?" I said, "Yes." He said, "Do you feel like your teeth are not closing properly? Is your bite not touching down, and is your bite misaligned feeling and not lining up correctly?" I said, "Yes, for the last several months. It feels like my teeth are not correctly in position. They're not closing down properly." Okay, so I have that symptom. He said, "Do you have difficulty swallowing?" I said, "Oh, God, yes. Oh, I mean, really bad. A lot of difficulty swallowing." He said, "You feel like your jaw is locked down and clamped down and you getting lockjaw?" Absolutely. I mean, my mouth is so locked down, it felt like I can't even open it. Now, he said, you're under a lot of stress. Absolutely. I'm always under a lot of stress. I mean, seriously, who isn't? Life is stressful. You live it and that's it, you know? But hey, no big deal. He said, do you have migraines? I said, God, yes. I've had migraines for almost 2 years. Facial muscle pain. Yes, facial muscle pain. Oh, God, bad. You know, he said, do you have swelling? Yes, I have facial swelling. I have neck swelling. Okay. I have every stinking symptom out there. I mean, you know, okay, so he said you need to get to a dentist, you need to get a night guard made, and you need to stop this Bruxism teeth grinding business. Okay, so I'm just absorbing all this. I'm totally new to this TMJ stuff. I'm totally new to grinding teeth. Never heard of it. Okay, but I have verbatim every single stinking symptom of it, and I have every symptom of the acute TMJ. So, anyhow, right now, I currently don't have dental insurance, and I called today to try to get some dental insurance and go ahead and buy it. They wouldn't let me do it. They said because of this Obamacare mandates in place with healthcare that I have to wait to December before I can even purchase it or even look into purchasing it. Okay, so it's September now. I'm not sure how I'm really going to live till December, you know, without getting to a dentist, because evidently I need to go to a dentist and I need to see about maybe getting my jaw relined up or getting night guards to stop the bruxism, or to get splints, to wear splints. I'm needing some total relief, so I'm very, very panicked and very nervous about it right now. I don't have the actual cash right now to go to a dentist. And my regular health insurance that I have, and I pay a phenomenal amount every month, but it does not cover dental care, apparently. And I actually kind of thought I had dental care because I pay so much every month for my health insurance. I have Blue Cross Blue Shield, and I thought I have a PPO, and I thought that I did have dental, but evidently I don't have dental coverage, so I'm not sure how I'm going to live between now and December, how I'm going to tough it out. I've been using a lot of ibuprofen. I have been using a lot of ice packs. I've been using a lot of heat packs. I've been even practicing facial massages that I have viewed here on YouTube to try to help with that and alleviate it. But right now, the pain is tremendous. It's messing up my speech. It's messing up the way I talk. And I'm trying not to clench my teeth during the day, and I'm trying not to grind my teeth at night, even though I don't even know I'm doing it, because obviously I'm doing it during my sleep. So I've really got a long road ahead of me, and I am in a lot of pain. And I never dreamed or imagined something like this could cause this amount of pain. I had no idea I even had it. I'm very thankful to the emergency room doctor that he did diagnose me with this, because like I said, I've been begging for a diagnosis. I have been begging for an answer for almost 2 years from numerous doctors, and nobody has ever mentioned this to me. I feel very enlightened. I'm getting educated on this. I am not a doctor. I'm not diagnosing you. I'm not telling you what to do. I am sharing my personal experience with you, and my level of pain is on a 10 scale. I am at a 10, and I am just feel like I'm barely holding on. I kind of at a crossroads where I don't know what to do here at this point. I can't afford to go to the dentist. They will not let me buy dental care at this point. I have no idea why. The explanation made no sense to me. Anyhow, if you would like to share your experience, your recommendations, what you do to alleviate your symptoms, what you do at night to stop your teeth grinding, your bruxism, what has helped your TMJ, what resources do you use, what at-home methods do you use, what type of doctors you go to, I'd appreciate any advice anybody can give me, because right now Real Beautiful Beauty is just in so much pain. It's really pathetic, and it's been building up for a very long time, and it's finally come to a head here at this point, to where my breaking point was last week. I went to the ER, and here I am a week later, and I'm still in a tremendous amount of pain. So yeah, if you have any comments of any kind that are helpful, if I have helped you, if I have enlightened you, I'd love to hear about it. Let me know if you share any of the same symptoms that I'm experiencing. Okay, now, wish us all well, and I hope you get better. I hope your TMJ is cured. I hope your bruxism stops, and I hope you have a gorgeous day. Real Beautiful Beauty loves everybody out here. Bye now.